today's maths class, and today we'll do pre-number concepts. So in this chapter, we will learn about the different size, shapes and color before learning about the numbers. So let's start the chapter. First we'll do bigger and smaller. So bigger and smaller, here we are talking about the size. You can see the giraffe is bigger than the goat. So giraffe is bigger and goat is smaller. Clear? Next, take the bigger object and cross the smaller object. So bigger object here, this ball is bigger, so we'll take it and we'll cross this one. Clear? So like this you'll do other questions. Next is big and small. Again, big, we are talking about the size. Here you can see the deer and the rabbit. Deer is bigger in size than the rabbit and rabbit is smaller than the deer. So this is big and this is small. Clear? Next, take the big object and cross the small object. So which one is bigger? This one. So we'll take it and cross this one. Clear? Next, biggest and smallest. Biggest means in all which one is bigger in size. Clear? So in among these three animals, which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest? So biggest is this dinosaur and the smallest is deer. Clear? Next, take the biggest object and cross the smallest objects. So among these three, which one is the biggest? This one. So we'll take it and we'll cross the smallest, that is ant. Clear? Now, tall and short. So this tree is taller than this one. So this is tall and this is short. So we are comparing between these two trees, which one is taller and which one is shorter. Here by looking at the tree you can easily tell. A palm tree is tall, a banyan tree is short. Palm tree is taller than the banyan tree. The palm tree is taller than the banyan tree and the banyan tree is shorter than the palm tree. Next, take the tall object and cross the short object. So we have to take the taller one and cross the shorter one. So between these two, this one is taller, we'll take it and cross this one. Clear? Next is tallest and shortest. So here you can see two boys and one girl. Here I am longer than Mary and shorter than Sonu. So this is Sonu, Mary and Paras. Three persons are there. Sonu is saying I am the tallest. Mary is saying I am the shortest. And Paras is saying that I am longer than Mary but shorter than Sonu. Clear? By looking at their height you can easily tell who is the tallest one and who is the shortest one. Next, take the tallest object and cross the shortest objects. So among these three, tallest is this one. So take it and shortest will cross it. Clear? Next, longer and shorter. Again we are comparing between these two. Which one is longer? This one is longer and this one is shorter. A bamboo is long and the sugarcane is short. The bamboo is longer than the sugarcane and sugarcane is shorter than the bamboo. Clear? Here you can see in the picture. This is bamboo as this is sugarcane. Next, take the longer object and cross the shorter objects. So the train will be longer than the bus and the bus will be shorter than the train. Next, longest and shortest. So here you can see this stick is the longest one and this matchstick, that is the shortest one. Clear? A walking stick is the longest and matchstick is the shortest. Next, take the longest object and cross the shortest object. So among these three, which one is the longest? The snake. So we'll take it and the spoon is the shortest. So we'll cross it. Clear? Next, thicker and thinner. So here you can see two almirahs. Which one is thicker? This one. We are talking about the width. This one is thicker and this one is thinner. Clear? Next, take the thicker object and cross the thinner object. So, in goat and elephant, it's very clear which one is thicker. Elephant, and goat is thinner. So, we'll cross it. Clear? Next, thickest and thinnest. So, here 3 vehicles are given. Among these 3, which one is the thickest? This one, the car, and the bicycle is the thinnest one. Clear? Next, take the thickest object and cross the thinnest object. So, which one is the thickest? This one, this, right, and the thinnest, this one. So, we'll cross it. Clear? Next, more and less. So, here we are talking about the quantity, more and less. Clear? So, here you can see 2 boys are there and they are having so many balls, but one is having more than the others. So, this boy is having more balls than this boy. Clear? So, this is more and this is less. If we will compare between these two, this is more and this is less. Take the more object and cross the less object. So, this is more and this is less. So, we will cross it. Clear? Next, top and bottom. So, here you can see one girl and boy playing on seesaw. This girl is on the top and the boy is at bottom. Next, take the top object and cross the bottom object. So, this is on the top and this is at the bottom. So, we will cross it. Clear? Next, far and near. So, here we are talking about the distance. Here you can see the child is near the bus and the child is far from the bus. Clear? Next, take the animal near the tree and cross the animal far from the tree. So, which one is near the tree? This animal is near the tree. So, we'll take it, and this animal, dog, is far from tree. So, we'll cross this one. Next, above and below. So, here you can see the girl is above and this car is below. Clear? You can see in the picture. Understand? This is above and this is below. Next, take the above object and cross the below object. So, this is above and this is below. Clear? Next, heavy and light. When we talk about the weight, we will say heavy and light. So, here you can see the elephant is heavier than the fox. So, it's heavy and this is light. Next, take the heavy object and cross the light object. So, obviously, this one will be heavier than this one. The tree will be heavier. So, this is heavy and this is light. So, we'll cross it. Clear? Next, multiple choice questions. Take the correct answer. Who among the following is the heaviest? So, you have to tell which one is the heaviest. Cricket ball, badminton racket, tennis ball or hockey stick. Obviously, hockey sticks. So, the hockey stick will be the heaviest. Okay. Next is mental maths. Take the heavier one. So, matchbox and glass jar. Which one would be heavier? Obviously, glass jar. So, we'll take this one. Clear? So, here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now, to practice it.